It is just a two-step process to fix error 1053 in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type regedit. Click here to open it. Then expand HKey local machine. Now expand system. Then expand current control set and select control. On this side, right click anywhere, then select new and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Then rename it as services pipe timeout and hit enter. Then right click on it and click on modify, and this set the value data as to 180000 and click on OK and close this window. Again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and click on run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Type this command sfc/scan now and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process, so you have to do this. And I'm moving to the next command. Again type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit enter. It will also take some time to complete its process. After that, type exit to close the command prompt and just restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.